Welcome back to another video. Let's start the new video. First of all, you have to search your Bing on Google. After search, you have to click on Image Creator, right click to open link in new tab. Bing website will open to you. Here you have to write your prompt, whatever you want to design. When I have written the prompt, you will find it in the prompt description. Click to create button. While the loading is going on, subscribe my channel. Click the images and click the arrow button to preview the next images. You can download the images by clicking on download button, and you can see the preview of the images by double clicking. To create the next image design, we will change the prompt. We'll click on the create button again. When your image's design is created, you can see the preview by clicking the image, and if you want to see the next image, then click on it. When create your images, then click to download button here. And double click to preview image. I hope you like this video very much. Just subscribe my channel, like, share, and comments. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Notification of new videos can reach you. Thank you, bye bye.